Welcome to our guide on Telegram X, an advanced, high-speed alternative to the classic Telegram app. Let's dive into what makes it a must-try for anyone looking to enhance their messaging experience. Telegram X stands out with a sleeker design, faster load times, and smoother animations. It's more responsive, with optimized performance that makes messaging faster and more visually appealing than the standard Telegram app. For those who value speed and seamless interactions, this app's differences are noticeable right away. Here's how you can get Telegram X on your device. First, download the APK file from a trusted source, ensuring security by verifying the website. Once downloaded, the installation process is simple. After a few clicks to grant permissions, you'll be ready to open the app and explore. When you open Telegram X, you'll find an updated layout with customizable options for chat themes, animations, and more. The interface isn't just fresh, it's user-friendly, making it a great choice for Telegram enthusiasts who want something new. All in all, Telegram X offers a refined experience with added performance benefits. If you're looking for faster messaging, advanced animations, or just a change of pace, Telegram X is worth checking out. Happy messaging!